reaching my house. Now the time is 7:03. Okay, this is my house, Sahadeva Mandiram, care of Deepa S. Panikar, care of Mukkum Gujar, Sahadeva Mandiram. Okay, 9:03. Today is 19th February. I'm opening my gate. Toot, 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 toot. Walking. And somebody was doing laser actually, okay, and even cigarette smell to burn my skin. Everything God knows. God is watching. They will get nicely from God, na? Okay, same house. Namaste. See, okay, I reached my house. This is my house. I was cleaning, nicely cleaned, like even I washed the curtains. I washed the curtains and kept outside, okay? You can see there I washed all the curtains. It was dusty actually. Everything I washed, everything, all these washed and kept. Everything I washed and kept, okay? Nicely. And this curtains I washed and kept. All these I did, okay? Okay, I reached my house. This is my house, Sahadeva Mandiram, not anywhere else. Now 5. Okay, 19th February. Me, Deepa S. Panikar here inside my house, Sahadeva Mandiram, Alati Ambalam Biyom, America, not anywhere else. Okay, this is my house.